Alright. Wave hi, honey.
Yoy.
Yoy, let's go. I bought pizza tonight. I already gave the kids theirs. They want to watch that movie, that anime movie. Have a seat. Let's eat. Let me get the pizza. Which piece do you want? I got us Hawaiian this time. Hey, why is my camera on?
You might want to record this since we haven't had this pizza in a while.
No, you're right. We haven't had this pizza in a while. Gosh, when's the last time we had this pizza? Oh, it's when our kids wanted to buy these pizzas and give them out to the homeless way back a few months ago. I think it was Halloween. And we did a video. Matter of fact, let me look. Yeah, let me show you. So we did a video where we gave a bunch of pizzas to the homeless. Matter of fact, why don't you watch it with us while we enjoy the pizza? Before I do that though, let me get my pizza going. I don't want to... I'll eat some pizza while we're watching that video. I always need 4 condiments with pizza. I need a little bit of salt. I know I'm a saltaholic. My second condiment is a little Parmesan cheese. And you know me, I love spicy stuff. Some diced Asian chilies. Ooh, yeah. And of course, the 4th mandatory condiment when you're eating pizza is an ice cold beer. All right, I'm gonna grab the camera and we're gonna watch this video together. I'll see you in a few minutes. Enjoy the video. All right, we got the truck decorated for a trick-or-treat truck. Got a few of the bad kids hanging outside. We got the most well-behaved little boy right here. And then we got a couple of demons in the back, obviously. Oh, silly. Then we're going to be handing out 2-liter sodas. We got 10. And now, let's go inside and order the pizza. All ready for early trick-or-treating. Here we go. Trick-or-treat truck. All right, in the truck now, getting ready to roll. Got a nice thick blanket over it, helping to keep the heat in. Let's go find some people. Looks like we found someone over there with a bicycle, a bunch of clothes on the back, and he's making a sign. So I'm just gonna take the pizza to him. He was super appreciative, so that makes me so happy. I got a little choked up. So we're gonna find the next person. So right when we were leaving, he ran up to the car with his sign. He said, "Oh man, I didn't get to film it, but he said, oh man, this is my first time ever making a sign." He goes, "I've always had a rough time, but I've never been to the point where I had to ask for something." He goes, "This is truly a blessing." And me and my kids said, "You're very welcome." And he said, "I like the truck, trick or treat, brother." So he's getting the spirit of the trick or treat truck. Let's continue. Hey, brother. Happy Halloween.
Hey, man, thank you, man.
She got a soda for you.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Yeah, it's early trick or treat time.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Enjoy it, brother. Thank you. Ooh. That was one gung-ho guy. I love happy people. All right, we see a gentleman here by the main Chinese buffet. And Taco Bell. There might be a female, I'm not sure. So we're about to give them a happy Halloween as well. Hey, happy Halloween, brother. Giving out trick or treat.
Thank you.
Just had it made.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a wonderful day.
I'm gonna try to.
Okay, brother.
I'm a veteran myself.
All right, awesome. Thanks for your service.
Used to be. Back in the 80s.
Well, thank you for your service.
Thank God. We did everything we could. We're still working.
Yeah. Well, enjoy that pizza.
I like to say that.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.
We see some people that look like they're living in a car, so I'm going to try to see if we can give them a pizza. I got something for you. Give me a soda. I got some food for you. It's early trick or treat.
Thank you. You didn't have to do that.
That's okay. We're doing it for different people that need a little help today. Just an early Halloween present.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a wonderful day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's okay. Have a good day. That was one of my favorite reactions so far, as I walked up to the guy sleeping in a sleeping bag. Let me turn around here. But I said, "Hey sir, would you like something to drink and a fresh pizza?" And he goes, "Hell yeah." So it's good. I'm glad some people are making their day a little better. All right, we've got 5 left. Let's see if this person up here would like one. Bunny?
Out of here?
Which one we got now? Coke?
Yeah.
Sounds good. We got a Coke. We found a couple other people there. I thought they were picnicking, but they're obviously having a rough time too. Here we go.
All right. Thank you.
Enjoy it. This
Yes.
is trick or treat. Have a good one. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Stay warm and safe.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
One pizza? One pizza?
That was nice. We continue. Our little boy's happy and laughing. He's having a great time. So there was a lady hiding under there up against the wall too, near Fred Meyer. So we're driving around a little bit more. I think we only have 2 left. Awesome. And I still have battery life, so we'll see you in a bit. Let's find 2 more people that need something to eat. Okay, we see a couple that has obviously all their goods in their Suburban. Hey, brother.
Love your Halloween decorations.
Yeah, trick or treat truck.
Thank
Happy
you.
Halloween.
Thank you.
Hey, you want something to drink?
Sure.
There
Thank
you go.
you so much.
You're welcome so much. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
You want one?
I wouldn't mind one.
Come on, it's the last one.
I'll grab it for him.
Oh, make him come. Make him work for it. There you go.
Also, I love that movie.
Oh, I love that little guy
so
too.
much. It's such a good movie.
Here dance for you. What? He's supposed to dance. There he goes.
Oh my god, I love it. Oh, that's so
Cute,
good.
huh?
Yeah. Cool, man.
All right, happy Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween.
All right, bye-bye. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Gosh, it's been like almost 6 months since Halloween, but I'm glad we did that family video and saved it in my download so we could share it with all of you. I didn't even know I was going to have this channel back then, but I'm glad I saved that video. The special thing about that video is that it was my kid's idea. I really loved that a lot. And this is the area around where I live at, but there's one thing I noticed rewatching it is you did not see any Samoans that were homeless. And that's a good thing about Ainga Samoa, is that the families stick together and there's always someone there out to look for you. So of course, if you have a family member in need, take them in. Alright. So Fafsai Lava for watching. We sure appreciate it. Thank you to all the subscribers out there and the viewers too. Even though most of you that watch are not subscribed, we still appreciate you watching. So comment below or at least hit the like. And we'll see you next time. See you in about 3.5 days when the next video comes out. Alright. So Vase Fua. Peace.